If you have ever felt distracted by your phone and wished you had more control over your time, then this Opal app review is for you. Opal is a focus and screen time management app designed to help you reduce distractions and build healthier digital habits. It is available on iOS and has gained strong popularity among productivity enthusiasts. The core idea behind Opal is simple. Block distracting apps and websites so you can focus on what truly matters. One of the main features of Opal is its smart blocking system. You can create custom focus sessions where selected apps like Instagram, TikTok, or even Safari are completely blocked for a set period of time. Unlike basic screen time settings, Opal makes it harder to bypass restrictions, which is perfect if you struggle with self-control. Another powerful feature is scheduling. You can set recurring focus sessions every day, for example during work hours or study time. This automation helps you build consistent habits without having to manually activate focus mode each time. Opal also provides insights into your screen time behavior. You can see how much time you are saving and track your progress over days and weeks. This visual feedback can be very motivating and encourages long-term discipline. The design of the app is clean and minimal, which makes it easy to use. Setting up a focus session only takes a few seconds, and the interface feels modern and intuitive. However, Opal does come with a subscription cost if you want access to advanced features. For some users, the price may feel slightly high compared to built-in screen time tools. But if you are serious about improving productivity, it could be a worthwhile investment. Overall, Opal is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to reduce distractions, increase focus, and take back control of their digital life. If your phone is stealing too much of your time, Opal might be exactly what you need.